Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Kraken Wonder Weapon in Black Ops 4 Zombies. First, activate the Sentinel artifact located on the poop deck. Next, you'll need to find and eliminate a Stoker zombie, which usually spawns around round 10 or 11. Make sure to use a regular weapon and aim for its glowing weak spot to ensure it drops the Stoker's key. Pick up this key quickly before it disappears. With the Stoker's key in hand, your next step is to find a hidden treasure chest. It can appear in one of 5 different locations across the map, such as the mail room or galley. Once found, use your key to open it. You'll then need to charge the chest by eliminating 10 zombies nearby. After this, the chest will move, find it again and charge it with 20 more zombie souls, then a final 30 at its third location. After successfully charging the chest 3 times, an item will be revealed inside. This item is your clue to the Kraken's final spawn location. For example, if you find a telescope, head to the poop deck. A compass will direct you to the boat deck. Other items like a globe, binoculars, or a drafting tool each correspond to a unique spot. Approach the correct crate and a massive tentacle will emerge, delivering your Kraken. To recap, remember to use a standard weapon for the Stoker to guarantee the key drop. Be prepared to move around the map, as the chest will relocate 3 times, requiring increasing numbers of zombie souls. The Kraken is an incredibly powerful wonder weapon, making all this effort worthwhile for surviving higher rounds. Good luck, and enjoy wielding this formidable weapon against the zombie horde.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.